February 8, 2026. This is day 39 of 365 Days of Our Abundant Life series. Psalm chapter 73 verse 25. Whom have I in heaven but you? I desire you more than anything on earth. Today's topic title, God says, I am giving you a heart to enjoy me. I have given you so much in this world to enjoy, and I am so glad you take pleasure in it. But what you genuinely enjoy reveals the deepest truth about you and matters forever. That is why I am giving you a heart to enjoy me above all else. If you try to live the Christian life with all of the right beliefs and practices, but with no real passion for me, you'll find yourself continually frustrated and unfulfilled. I want something better for you. Having faith in me is a good thing, but desire is the heartbeat of faith. Faith is power to enjoy Christ above all else in the world. Faith is believing not just what I can do, but what I am worth. I created you to glorify me by enjoying me above all else. I want you to desire me as an end in myself, not as a means to some other end. I will not be used. I will only be loved and enjoyed as the desire of your heart. I am claiming your heart as a sacred place of deepest love where no one else may go. Today's message highlights that God is the ultimate satisfaction in our life, and it is only in Him that we will find true fulfillment and lasting joy. So lahat naman tayo, no, we all have our own mga iba-iba tayo na mga pursuits in life, mga goals. We all want good health, we want wealth, we want success, mga ganyang bagay ba? And all of these things, lahat naman ng mga nakikita, nahawakan natin, na-enjoy natin ngayon dito sa mundo, these are all provided naman talaga, di ba? These are all provided by God for us to enjoy and to make use of it. But, yun nga, the center of everything should still be on the giver of our Creator Himself. Dahil lahat ng mga na-enjoy natin ngayon or lahat ng mga na-enjoy or mga pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, these are all temporary lang ba? So we still have to be focused pa din on the eternal perspective na there is this ultimate perfect fulfillment of our desire, and it is only realized in heaven. So all of our longings will only be fully met having if we have God's presence in our life. Kasi nga, di ba, He should be the center of everything. He should be our priority. Because if God, ito na naman. Nahirapan na naman akong mag-pronounce. So, kasi nga, if we prioritize our relationship with God, we know how to shift na i-shift na natin yung ating satisfaction ba na it's not just on material or gifts sa mga material lang na bagay, but we should be more focused on our relationship with our intimate and personal relationship with God, because with Him, He gives us a heart that can He gives us a heart that can really enjoy Him and glorify Him. And so, having this kind of heart, we can still enjoy pa din, no, yung mga pwede nating i-enjoy dito sa mundo, but whether it's taken away from us, because lahat pwede niyang ibigay, pwede niya yung bawiin. So there would be times na good and there will also be bad times. But since we have God in our heart, we know how to be content and happy in all situations through Christ's strength. So baga ma-appreciate pa din natin ba kung ano yung today is good, so ma-appreciate natin, and then baka bukas bad naman, ma-appreciate pa din natin, because we know that that's the cycle. There are times na it can be good, it can be bad, because God can give us and take. He can give and also he can also take. But yun nga, dapat marunong pa din tayong mag-appreciate and ganun lang, patuloy lang sa buhay. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. And what else? So our hope and our focus pa din is should be on the promise of the eternal future. Ganun siya. Ano pa ba? So, He created us to glorify Him and enjoy Him above all else. So, He should be the top priority of everything.